So, hi everybody, a very good afternoon. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. Hope all well. I hope you had a great weekend and stuff. I'm Jashin Kapani. Cheers to you on a start of some black coffee, which I've just kind of gotten over with. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and the CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as the name says it, we're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying furniture. We have corporate gifting items. We have festive occasion items and stuff. And of course, there's art and installations and everything. And I also consult in interior solutions and furniture accessories and stuff like that. Presently, we are based in Delhi NCR, Noida, and I also work out of the site locations and stuff, which is sometimes in Gurgaon, where I have a temporary office because of whatever reasons. So, what am I sharing my read on? I'm sharing my read on. If you can see the color I'm wearing, it's light pink and stuff. It's one of my favorite colors. I love it. I feel fresh and I feel light about it, and I'm inspired to share something with this color around the beauty of nature, which you can actually use to bring home pink roses. Okay, so pink roses, pink flowers. All you need is three elements. Really simple, really kick-ass, really amazing, and it's going to look outstanding and gorgeous on your tables and stuff. And they're easy to maintain and stuff. So here is the idea. So you have a nice classy crystal glass, or you have let's say a wine glass, or you have let's say what else? I mean, or an ice cream serving container, which is actually crystal, or a sexy glass, And what you do is you have to have this green color sponge that you get in the market, and you have to just kind of place this crystal glass or whatever glass available to you on the table or wherever you want to have the decor or the display, and add a few rosebuds or a few sunflowers or few whatever flowers are available to you. Really simple. So if you have, like, say 10 roses, you can just have those kind of trimmed to about 4 to 5 inches, 6 inches, depending on the size of the glass and stuff, and use your own brain or your rationale on what should be the length of the stem and everything. It should look good and amazing, and just place those in that sponge one by one, and few of them could be taller, the other could be shorter, or all of them could be of the same size, and you have a beautiful display. I'm going to share the picture. It's going to look really amazing. And now that the pollution is kind of not that bad, and the weather's getting better, we have a little bit of sun outside and stuff, and Delhi is going to be beautiful as always. It is beautiful, especially the parts which are really maintained and stuff. We have amazing lawns, we have amazing parks and stuff like that, but a part of Delhi still needs a lot of work and stuff, where you have a lot of traffic, and you have what do you call industrial area and stuff. So in your office, in your workstations, on your desk, say if I'm working from here right now, so I could just have a little exciting or a classy smashing display of flowers on my table. And the best part about having a small container, or maybe a glass, or maybe a cut glass kind of a thingy, is that you can carry it anywhere and place it anywhere, and you can keep circulating it, or you can have different kinds of flowers placed, and you have a decor maybe beside your TV, maybe in your washroom, maybe in your study rooms, maybe in your living spaces, maybe in your library, maybe in the center of your dining table, maybe where you're sleeping or whatever, and you're definitely going to kind of enjoy and feel good. And why am I emphasizing and sharing so much about nature and flowers and stuff? I'm sharing this because the moment you come out of a rush space, and there's so much of gray outside, and you're not kind of feeling relaxed, or you want to kind of feel uplifted or even beautiful, you have these beautiful luxury, easy to do kind of setups at home and office spaces and stuff, and you suddenly start feeling good. At least I do, and I know a lot of people love flowers, and आपको कहीं दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं. You don't have to go so far, where you're imagining and thinking about all the hill stations and everything. Well, if you can take a holiday, why not? But if you can bring paradise or heaven at home, all the more reason and stuff. So flowers are basic, and choose your own colors and stuff, because what happens is that it's common sense. The logic is that color automatically uplifts you and everything, and because there is gloom in the rooms, and there's darkness in the room, and there's pollution around, you start feeling a little low on your energy also. So having flowers, having greenery kind of centers you and grounds you, and rest everybody knows they look amazing. Okay, so the choice of your cut glass also matters a lot. So try this at home, pick up some beautiful flowers. You can also have artificial flowers, and if you have artificial flowers, you could always spray some diffuser oil, or some your favorite oils or whatever, so you have different fragrances in your house, like jasmine, or probably you have for sleeping and relaxation is lavender. You can have rose, whatever is your favorite. I mean, whatever works for you. And also, it kind of cleanses your system and stuff. So the idea is to kind of have these gorgeous works on display and stuff. And who knows, you may be inspired to actually think differently about the world and nature and stuff like that. How technical do you want to be? How much of murder and rapes and everything you want to see? I mean, flowers always kind of enthuse positivity as well. And when you go out, you'll definitely also take a look at the beauty around you and stuff, rather than focusing on nature and stuff. Okay. So, hope these tips help. And if you want to break away from certain habits that you have of reading certain kind of books and certain kind of videos, or following certain people, try and experimenting with your brain and stuff, because a few habits are broken, the bad habits, or a few addictions given up. I mean, I don't have any addictions, but anyways, I mean, I try and see if I'm addicted to something or not, but I don't think I am, because I normally maintain a balance and stuff. But the point is to stay creative. You have to kind of break certain habits and certain ways of thinking, or even the certain kind of news or certain kind of books you read and stuff, and you have to actually shift your focus. And that's when your creativity is at rise. That's when your intelligence is at rise. That's when the bestest of ideas come in, and that's when you're able to kind of switch from the unnecessary bullshit around to better stuff. So try this. Love and love. Take care. Have fun. Have a blast. And enjoy. And to stay grounded, and to also kind of exercise and beautify your spaces. Get some beautiful. Flowers, or not flowers, sorry, get some beautiful greenery which is nature friendly, and you may not even have to overuse or use too many air purifiers. Okay, you don't have to make your system weak by using too much of technology. You can always have, like I've always shared, already shared, green plants which are working in favor of nature. So there's a list of all of those available. I already shared a great idea which was on sunflowers and stuff, but try and do this aloe vera thing, or the snake plant, or 10 different plants, or place them in different corners in your room, beside your bed, and feel good and feel great. So have fun, enjoy yourself, feel good, feel great, and enjoy yourself. And thank you for writing in, thank you for messages, thank you for your likes. And I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinekapani.im@gmail.com, and justinekapani office at gmail.com. Thank you so much. Great sunshine. So that's the great respite. Look at the positive. Look at the sunshine rather than looking at the gloom and stuff like that. So love and luck and take care. Bye bye. Cheers. Yeah.